Honorable Claire ashabire abaishiki okuta amaani omu kushoma kandi behara abashaija barikubasa kubitira omunyito.
But when you see investors like these people investing in education, and for chairman actually it is not even investment, it is a contribution. It is a contribution to government responsibility. When we see these private people coming to invest in schools, leave alone those ones that invest to get money. Unlike chairman who invests to support, to help the girl child get education. We shall really continue congratulating you and thanking you for being passionate about what you have been doing for the last so many years.
Omukoro gutandikira n'ekitambo kya misa kandi kyebembibwa Reverend Father Ozzy John okuruganya mutanga kandi ugashabira abaishiki obutosha okukorera kubaha ekitiinisa omu by'omwoyo n'omubiri omu byanga byabo barikuhangariramu.
Her faith and charity will allow her to remain close to Jesus up to the moment when he will be abandoned by those who have spent a lot of time with him, listening to his sermons. What is striking and good to point out here is that Mary Magdalene was present at the foot of the cross with Mary, the mother of Jesus, and John, to witness the putting in the tomb.
Orukwebembera abashomera hishomereri n'abahinda Brenda agarira amasiko mu mitima y'abeegi abariyo nibashoma hishomereri ngo kushoma ntekera bigurire ngize obusinguzi omu biro by'omu misho. Gasha kwa Arwaso.